guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys a very quick, easy and simple breakfast recipe. We'll be doing a baked omelette casserole. This can be done for if you have crowds over, like a big family, or if you have friends coming over and stuff and you want a very quick and easy thing to whip up. This is the perfect idea. So to get started, here I have some white bread, and I'm using sourdough bread here because I like a harder texture of bread is perfect for this recipe than the softer kind. And here I have some cheddar cheese. I'll be using some eggs, evaporated milk. I have some onions, honey baked ham. I have some spicy brown mustard. I have bell peppers, green onions, some black pepper, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning. So to get started, we will begin by beating our eggs really well until they're evenly combined. And then we will add our seasonings, our mustard, and the milk. You can add whatever seasonings you like to your eggs. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. You can, if you don't like seasonings, you just like salt and pepper, then just add that. And we will make sure that all these ingredients are well combined, and then we'll move on to the next step. So here I have an 8x8 baking dish, and I went ahead and butter the dish so that nothing will stick. And now I will add the bread, and then we will add our ham, and we will basically be adding all of our toppings. You can add it in any order you like. It really doesn't matter. And you can also add whatever you like to this omelette. If you don't like these ingredients I'm using, you can omit that and just add whatever you like. You can add bacon here, instead of the bread. You can do potatoes, whatever you like, but make sure that everything is cooked before you add it. Well, except like your onions and stuff. Once it's chopped really fine, like your onions and bell peppers and stuff, that can be added as it is, because in the oven it will cook. And we'll basically add everything here, layers of it. Like once we finish adding one layer, then we add our cheese, and then we'll add a next layer of the bread, the ham, the peppers, onions and stuff. Then we'll add the cheese, and then the last thing we'll add is our egg mixture. And once we've got everything assembled, we will place this in a 355-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. Well, the cooking time depends on your oven. Everybody's oven is different, and yours might cook faster than mine, or mine might cook faster than yours. So what you need to do is check it, and when the eggs are all set and they're no longer runny, that's how you know they're done. And you'll have a nice beautiful golden brown top, over top, and that's how you know that it's done. So we'll get this going, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. So after about 45 minutes, my casserole omelette is finally done, guys. And it smells so amazing. I can't wait to dig in, but I will wait and let it cool off a bit before I slice it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super quick, simple and easy breakfast recipe. It is a baked omelette casserole, and it is perfect for if you have a large family or if you have a large group of people staying over at your house. You can whip this up quick and easy for them, and it is super delicious. I promise you they all will love it. You can also double or triple the ingredients to make a larger batch, And I do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!